for cat who loves to purr. G is for dog with a wagging fur. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish that swims all day. G is for grapes, so juicy and sweet. H is for horse with galloping feet. Climb aboard the alphabet train. We're learning letters, it's never plain. I is for igloo, cold and white. J is for jelly, that's such a delight. K is for kite, flying high in the sky. L is for lion within the mighty cry. M is for monkey, swinging so free. N is for nest, up in the tree. O is for orange, bright and round. P is for pig, who rolls on the ground. Choo, 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 let's go down the lane. We're riding on the ABC train. Q is for queen with a golden crown. R is for rabbit, hopping around. S is for star, shining so bright. T is for turtle, slow but right. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for violin strings to try. W is for whale, deep in the sea. X is for xylophone, play with glee. Y is for yo-yo, spinning so fast. Z is for zebra, striped to the last. The alphabet train is coming to an end. Sing it again with your new train friend. Choo-choo, let's sing once again. All aboard the alphabet train.
Sat aboard the alphabet train.